Okay, starter, alternator, restored. And you will see in this beginning of this video how it looked like. It's been sandblasted, painted, and tested. So both works very well. There's nothing wrong with them. So yeah, so take something old and make it new again. This is easier. I love this, and yeah, I don't care. You don't need to like this, as long as I like it. So yeah, so alternator, new bearings, new everything, starter, new everything, a little bit of extra grease, but running, tested.